Everyone. Sarah here from Chuckstello iTech. Today, we have exciting news for all members of the Ghana National Association of Teachers on Campus, NATOC. The portal for the submission of nominees' details for the 2024 NATOC National Excellence Awards is now open. There are several categories up for grabs this year, including Most Decent NATOC Member, Best Entrepreneur of the Year, Outstanding Local Executive, and many more. To submit your nominees' details, simply click on the link provided, www.thegossuite.com/GNTC24. You're on the portal, you'll be prompted to fill in the required information. Make sure to provide the full name, WhatsApp contact, email, if available, category, and upload a high-quality image of your nominee. It's essential to ensure that all details are accurate for a smooth nomination process. Don't miss out on this opportunity to recognize excellence within the NATOC community. Head over to the portal now and submit your nominees' details. Stay tuned to Chuckstello iTech for more updates on the NATOC National Excellence Awards.